How to print on a t-shirt using the new Derivan Liquid Stencil system. First up, prepare your design. Notice here how the screen has been lifted off the design so it doesn't smudge. Using the applicator of the screen drawing fluid, trace your design onto the screen. Leave this to dry. Now you're ready to apply the screen blockout. Be generous with the blockout because you want to do this in one pass. So pull out across the screen. You need to leave the screen to dry completely. Overnight's a good idea. Once the blockout is completely dry, you're now ready to rinse the drawing fluid off the screen. Use cold to room temperature water. Once you've removed all the screen drawing fluid from your screen, set your screen aside and leave to dry completely. Now the screen is dry, the fun begins and you can start printing using Derivan screen inks. If you don't have a jig, you can always get a friend to hold the screen for you as you pull the squeegee. Experiment with different colours. When you've finished printing, you need to leave it to dry overnight because now it's time to start heat setting. You need to heat set because you want to keep the colours bright and vibrant when you're washing the t-shirt regularly. Because this t-shirt's cotton, you want to have it at the highest temperature you can get the iron to, which is the cotton setting. Now all you have to do is iron it for 5 minutes. Just make sure you have a piece of fabric over the top to protect it. When you've finished printing, you can now remove the design off the screen using the Derivan screen cleaner. All you need to do is soap it up with a old nail brush and then rinse. And now your screen is ready for your next print.